Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering down your PC and unplugging it from the wall socket. Move to a clean, static-free workspace and wear an anti-static wrist strap if available. Gather a Phillips #2 screwdriver, a SATA cable for 2 5-inch drives, and the small mounting screws included with the SSD. Decide between a 2 5-inch SATA SSD or an M.2 NVMe drive based on your motherboard. Backup game saves and note Windows keys before you open the case and proceed with installation. Open the case panel and set it aside with the screws in a safe spot. Locate the M.2 slot or 2 5-inch drive bay on your motherboard and chassis. If installing a 2 5-inch SATA SSD, mount it in the bay or adapter and secure it with 4 screws or a 3 5-inch adapter bracket. Connect a SATA cable to the SSD and an available SATA port on the motherboard. For M.2 NVMe installs, insert the drive at a 30-degree angle and fasten it with the single standoff screw supplied. Power on the PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI using the designated key during post. Verify the new SSD is detected and set SATA mode to ASI for SATA drives. Enable NVMe support if using an M.2 drive and prioritize your boot device if installing an OS. Save BIOS settings and boot into Windows or your cloning utility. Use disk management to initialize the SSD as GPT, create a primary partition, and format it with NTFS before moving games or cloning your system image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.